How come you're here though? We have seen you as a showstopper, but still want to know.
See, the jewelry that I was wearing is by Amaze, Johari by Amaze Jewels, and that's owned by my very dear friend Varsha. So she kind of dragged me today here, and I promote her brand, so that's why I'm here. And it's a good thing that I came here because मैं कभी flea market और इन सब जगहों पे जाती नहीं हूँ. So it's fun, you know. It's like a little मेला जो हम कहते हैं ना हिंदी में मेला है, and lots of people, and the good thing is you get to interact with people so much that it's worth it.
Okay, क्या कहना चाहेंगी? You know, city like Mumbai where so people are so busy और इस तरह का, और in the heart of the city we are standing as right now, और वहाँ पे इस तरह की चीज़ होना, how good do you think, you know?
I think it's very good because Mumbai जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ is one of the busiest cities, you know. और अब तो ऐसा हो गया कि शायद 24/7 ये शहर चालू रहता है, because me being from the media industry, from the entertainment industry, sometimes I shoot till 9 o'clock in the morning. So उस दौरान, you know, to get something like this is like a break from your daily routine. Like this was a break for me myself. मैं 24 घंटे shoot करती रहूँगी. I'm recording something in the studio. So this was like a break, and it brought back a lot of childhood memories. जब I'm from Lucknow, so हम वहाँ पे जब you know हम उसे मेला ही बोलते हैं. You know, we don't call it like a flea and all that. So it brought back a lot of memories. I used to go with my mom, dad, and किसी stall से ice cream खाएंगे, कहीं से दुपट्टा खरीद लेंगे. So you know that it's fun, and it's आपका mind divert होता है. आप इतने busy होते हो कि you come here and you just chill. So it's good.
Okay, what apart from this, what happening on professional front?
I am right now busy with a lot of music stuff, and just finished shooting for a film called Yatharth, which will be releasing by December or maybe January 2019. And you'll get to hear a lot of songs of mine. I am recently coming up with something जिसका मैं formal launch करूँगी in a week or so. So yeah, musically a lot of things are happening. I'm coming up with 2 singles of mine that's going to release in another 6 months. So yeah, that's
Okay,
what's happening.
who sang for you, and what was the single like? You know, it will be a romantic
I sang for myself.
No, it will be a romantic one, or it will be a hot number. How?
No, it will be like a romantic EDM kind of a thing, and one is a romantic EDM song. Other one is going to be a Punjabi folk song with lots of you know, music and all that. So yeah.
Okay, have you seen the teaser of biopic of that?
Yes, I have, and I have literally become a fan of Ranbir Kapoor. Oh my God, he's looking like a dream, and he's actually looking like Sanjay sir. So yeah, I am looking forward to that film.
Thank you so much, Tia.
Hi, could we have one mic?
So here comes Ladida, and this is our team. this beautiful looking team, not only outside but inside too. And we have our lovely jewelers, Varsha and Abhishek, they are always amazing, Johari. And this beautiful showstopper of ours, because of them and because of her, today we feel
That the show
all
has
the
been
more
possible.
powerful in our collection. They have made us look powerful today.
So they have
And,
really nice collections.
And
so-
this little girl, she's worked so hard on all our models to
Hair
make
and
them look
makeup.
good. Namika from Envy Salon and Spa. And of course, both of us as a team, we've gone through the thick and thin of this.
We have worked day and night
we've
basically
worked
for
day
the
and
show.
night.
It's been like really crazy.
So why Dio for the new collection on the ramp walk?
There's, don't you see? She's so
Because
gorgeous.
she's so pretty
She
and
can
she
go
has
for
been-
floral. She can go
yeah.
for black and gold.
And
She can
anything
go
we were
for
making her
metallic
wear.
and anything. And she's one of the
She has-
prettiest
You
people.
even-
You're even asking that question. Why?
Yeah, why
do
are
you
you asking
doubt
that
me?
question? I agree.
Huh?
She has.
Explain the outfit that you wore and how did you feel? What was so special
Oh,
about it?
I wore a metallic gold gown, and I must tell you, I don't know how they convinced me because I am a person, I wear very buttoned up clothes and all that, and I had like a plunging neckline and I was comfortable. These two made me wear it, and like I was telling you, Varsha, her jewelry. So it was stunning, and I didn't want to get out of it, but it's so hot, that I had to get out of that outfit. But these two convinced me literally to wear that
Thank you.
thing, and it looked classy. See, basically what happens is, जब आप कपड़े पहनते हो, you should know what looks good on you, and sometimes you're very conscious about something. So the things that I was conscious about, they actually took it away, and they made me wear that metallic gold gown, and I'm taking that home with me.
Means a lot.
Yeah, you
It
can.
means a lot.
You can,
Something
for
about the
sure.
look that you put in
We
for
need-
the showstopper
we need
and for
Abhishek.
the-
We need
for all
Abhishek.
your models.
You.
So,
Namika. She's done the hair and the
yeah,
makeup.
so we belong to Envy Salon and Spa. That's the name of the salon that we belong to. Looking at the theme that they had for the whole show, definitely what is in today is the look that we decided for the showstopper and all the models. And it was a fabulous show, and it did work all good for everybody.
Thank you for doing it for us.
So ये समर आ गया है तो समर में किस तरह की फैशन आप
Before that, okay, I was mentioning Varsha and Abhishek. So these are literally like family, and Johari by Amaze is their brand. So I keep wearing, keep promoting. It's basically my brand. I basically own Johari by Amaze.
Basically, cut it short, she is family,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
families are always welcome everywhere.
Yeah,
Wherever
of
we are,
course, yeah.
family is always there.
Yeah,
Like
of
that.
course.
And
Yeah.
is there any memorable jewelry that you
Is there any
like to
memorable?
wear every day, like keep it in your bag? हमेशा-
I am not really a jewelry person because I am allergic to any kind of metal, unfortunately. Even though having such rich friends doesn't really affect, But I got a very beautiful ring made from them, and that was something. First time मैंने कुछ ज़िंदगी में बहुत महंगा खरीदा था. It was more, I would put it like that वो शायद एक 4-5 लाख की अंगूठी थी जो मैंने पहली बार एक साथ इतने पैसे देके कुछ महंगा खरीदा था. That is something very memorable that I keep with me. But I am not a very jewelry person. You will always see me without jewelry.
So what do you really like to wear in summer if the scene is very hot climate? क्या पहनना ज़्यादा पसंद है?
I like cotton maxis जो आती है ना, where you just have to put them on and go for your shoots and all. Because क्या होता है, हम घर से निकल के shoot पे जाते हैं, and then we have to put in a lot of makeup, lot of things we have to do. So I like to wear those cotton, outfits, whatever is comfortable. Because summers generally in a place like Mumbai gets very, very, very hot, and then clothes stick to your body and all that. So मुझे वो नहीं पसंद. So I prefer cotton, and white is my favorite color, white and baby pink. So yeah.
We always seen you like horror genre. Why it really excites you?
It does. I love horror. I am a horror movie buff, and if given a chance, I would dress up like a ghost and roam around. I don't care. Seriously, I would say I love the paranormal because I've read a lot of books and all that, and that's what I believe, that when there is a higher power, there has to be paranormal. Otherwise, you pandits or itne sare log, they will not just talk and believe in these things. So and it's exciting, that वो जो adrenaline rush होता है ना आपको, when you see a horror film, you get scared, then you're like, it's just a joke. I live for that. I literally live for that.
One of the best horror movie of yours.
1920 Evil Returns, of course.
Sanjit teaser is came. How much you looking forward to see this movie? How much you excited?
I am really very excited because मेरे दो बहुत फेवरेट लोग हैं फिल्म में. एक इट्स संजय दत्त बायोपिक. आई लव दैट मैन, आई अडोर दैट मैन, एंड आई थिंक जितना उस the kind of things he has gone through and he has still come out victorious from those things. एक होता है कि इंसान के साथ कुछ छोटा सा होता है and you start crying and you run off. That man has gone through probably everything and he's emerged a winner. You know, I respect him for that and I love Sanjay Dutt for that. And of course Ranbir Kapoor, who's playing Sanjay Dutt and he's looking like him, you know. See, what happens is as an actor, you know, I know how much efforts he must have put in to look like Mr. Sanjay Dutt, you know. So that is what I appreciate and I'm looking forward to the film.
Basically, the acting with what he has done, and he has got each and every moment, actions, everything. That's what the trailer has blown mind away everybody's, and this movie gonna rock it. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I'm
Looking
sure
forward
about
to
it.
it.
And yes, looking forward to it.
Thank you.